Hey guys, so I want to show you what we were able to do with a basement waterproofing client of ours recently, basically over about the last 7 months or so. So I started working with this company to generate business for basement waterproofing leads, as well as basement repair and foundation repair sort of leads. And so they had been spending thousands of dollars each and every month on paid advertising with a firm to help them with that, an agency. And I met the business owner just through some mutual connections, and like what I had to kind of show them about some other work that we were basically working on, some other results. And so they hired us to help them generate business and get off of paying those thousands of dollars each and every month on paid advertising. So what we were able to do here, and what I'm showing you right now, is a kind of a timeline of their Google, basically their search engine traffic that isn't from paid search engines traffic. So this is just people that are hopping on Google and typing in things like basement waterproofing, in Milwaukee for this particular client. And what we'll see here is we started working with this client basically at the beginning of March, and you can see they were basically getting very few leads out of their website, so phone calls and emails. But you can see very, very quickly through the work that we did, we were able to basically go from 7 conversions during that time frame to 30 in the next. So we basically had a 4x increase in just the matter of a couple of months. And then you can see we continued to grow from there. And we had a little bit of downtick in the middle of summer, but boom, then we really shot up. So some of the work that we did do to help our clients like this takes a little bit of time, but you can see immediately we had some huge improvements, but boom, we were able to continue to grow that over the next just few months. And so now they're up to 60 plus conversions of calls and email leads. And this is a business that's been around for over 30 years. And this is by far and away the best year that they're having. So now here's the other really cool thing about this on the flip side. So we were talking about how they were reliant on advertising before. Well, now let's take a look at their advertising, and you can see the absolute decline in the ad spend that they've had. So this is when we started working with them, right around here, and you can see now they have been able to get off of that thousands of dollars a month that they were pouring into Google. And basically now they own an asset that generates business for them, and they don't have to keep buying ads like they have been for years. So they finally have a tool that's going to generate business for them. And then just to kind of show you what some of these phone calls look like, let's take a look over here at the inbox. So just take a second to load, and then we'll just pull up. And you can see we've got all these calls and emails coming in here. All these people looking for basement waterproofing repair and foundation repair. And average job is about $8,000 on these jobs. In fact, recently this client here let me know that they got just a Google lead, and it was from a school in Milwaukee, and it turned into a $53,000 job. And that was just the first kind of entry job for them. There's a much bigger project for them that lies ahead. So a lot of money to be made here, and just thrilled that we're able to help our client do this and make him so much money. So it's just terrific. All right, so let's just scroll down and pull up a random number here. And okay, this one has duration. Let's see what this one's about. So we've got some call tracking software here, and just takes a second to load this.
This call may be monitored and recorded.
All right, so let's see here.
Hello, Zubak. Hi, how are you? Good. My name is Josh, and I'm calling from a school on the east side. And we're actually housed in one of those old houses on the lake. And I have some waterproofing issues, water intrusion issues, I guess. And I wanted to maybe repair them.
All right, so there's another phone call right there that you can see. That one, another school, in fact. So very cool. So you can get the idea. There's a lot of business that we're making. A lot of money to be made here with the work that we're doing. And basically all we're doing is taking this company that's been around for 30 years, and they've had a website for a number of years, but it was just solely poorly handled in terms of how to properly market it, that we implemented our system, and you can see the results now. We are just killing it, making tons and tons of money each and every month, and in fact, record years for really established businesses. So this is what we do. We generate leads, we generate phone calls, we connect you with people. So if you're looking for similar sorts of help with your business and you want to grow and you're a motivated business owner, then feel free to connect. All right, thank you much.